Hello class, how are you? We are now on the last topic of business finance. I'm Sir Noel, your virtual teacher, helping you to clarify the fourth quarter business finance topics. The last topic we have for this subject is all about money management cycle, earning, spending, saving, and investing. For this lesson, we'll be focusing our discussion on how to compute savings for emergency funds. Filipinos have the lowest savings rates among the countries in the world. When asked, they typically complain that there simply is no more money left over at the end of the month. In a sense, they are correct, but they are thinking about savings in the wrong way. Wise individuals take a different approach. They follow the saying, pay yourself first, which means to treat savings as the first expenditure after or even before getting paid. Before we do this, salary minus expenses and whatever is left, that will be your savings. But now, applying the pay yourself first, you will first set aside your savings after receiving your salary. Then, whatever is left will be your expenses. Salary minus savings equals expenses. Your first savings goal is to accumulate enough money to cover living expenses, perhaps around 70% of your gross income, for 3 to 6 months. This money will serve as an emergency fund in case of a job layoff, long illness, or other serious financial calamities. During this pandemic, many people lost their jobs. No job means no income. Emergency funds will help the people over the financial surprise life throws their way. Here is how to compute emergency funds. Let us have this example. The Salazar family has a combined income of 640,000 per annum. JC, the husband, wants to start saving for their emergency fund since his wife, Antonia, is finishing her master's degree. Their only child will also start her study this coming school year. JC's monthly salary is 36,000 pesos. A. How much should be the 3-month emergency funds of JC? Letter B. How much should be the 3-month emergency funds of Antonia? Letter C. If the couple decided to have a 6-month emergency funds, how much should be their combined emergency funds? Since JC has 36,000 pesos of monthly income, we will multiply 36,000 by 70%. 36,000 times 0.70 equals 25,200 pesos. This is the emergency fund of JC per month. Since we want to compute for a 3-month emergency fund, we will multiply it by 3. 25,200 times 3, we have 75,600 pesos. For letter B, we should identify first how much is the salary of Antonia. Since their combined income is 640,000 pesos, we will divide that by 12 to get their monthly combined salary. 648,000 divided by 12. We have 54,000 pesos. This is their monthly combined income. Deduct the salary of JC, which is 36,000, from their combined income. 54,000 pesos minus 36,000 pesos, we have 18,000 pesos. This is now the monthly income of Antonia. We will multiply 18,000 by 70%. 18,000 pesos times 0.70, our answer is 12,600 pesos. This is the emergency fund of Antonia per month. Since we want to compute for a 3-month emergency fund, like her husband, we will multiply it by 3. 12,600 pesos times 3, we have 37,800 pesos. Finally, to get their combined 6-month emergency fund, we will multiply their annual income of 640,000 pesos by 70%. 640,000 times 0.70, our answer is 453,600 pesos. This is their combined 12-month emergency fund. To get the 6-month emergency fund, we will just divide it by 2. 453,600 divide 2, we have 226,800 pesos. The combined 6-month emergency funds of Salazar family is 226,800 pesos. I hope this video has helped you analyze and answer your modified assessment. Happy learning!